Balasaranya ma'am, Assistant Professor, CSE Department, to introduce about our guest speaker. Please, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. A pleasant morning to everyone present. Am I audible? Anisha ma'am, am I audible?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, you are audible, ma'am.
A pleasant morning to everyone present here. On behalf of our management, principal, HOD CSE, coordinator and organizers of this induction program, faculty members of the Department of CSE, and on my own behalf, I welcome today's guest speaker and also all the participants of second day of AICTE ISTE sponsored induction refresher program on data analytics, pressure and data visualization in augmented reality and virtual reality. It's my pleasure to welcome today's guest speaker Dr. Amit Kohli, Professor, Yorkville University, Canada. Welcome you, sir. Dr. Amit Kohli completed his PhD in India and postdoctorate research in the University of Arizona, USA. He has more than 17 years of academic experience as a faculty. He was bestowed by the Best Teacher Award and the Young Scientist Award. He has about 50 research papers to his credit. His papers are published in various global journals of repute like Taylor and Francis, Springer, InterScience, etc. He has participated in various international conferences held in countries such as UK, Italy, and so on. He has authored and published 2 books. He has 2 patent designs and 1 utility patent to his recognition. He has completed a few IBM certifications and currently he is working as a professor at Yorkville University, Canada. It's our great honor indeed to have your presence today for delivering the session on optimization and visualization of big data. With these few words, I would like to hand over the session to Yaryen for knowledge enlightenment for us. I invite you to take over the session. Please, sir.
Okay, thank you so much for your great introduction. I say good morning, or what is the time by your watch? I don't know.
Sir, it's a good evening for you and good morning for us, sir.
Okay. So good morning, one and all here. Sorry that there is time difference. Right now it is about 8 p.m. here, 8 p.m. So let us discuss what I want to teach here is, can we do practical today? If possible, I will request madam to share the data, the links which I've sent you through the email. And I will request all the faculty members, if they have the laptops, computer, whatever they have, desktop, and they can turn it on and we can do together this workshop. Is it possible for all of you? Is it possible to turn on your camera? At least I can see you and we can work together.
Sir.
Yes, sir, we can do it, sir.
Okay,
So
so nice of you.
Software is required, sir. May I know which software is required for doing this practical, sir?
There's no software. I will tell you. Can you open the link?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I can share. Don't worry. I can share. Okay, these are the 2 certification which is free of cost. You can also do it. This is an IBM certification. The first certificate, can you see my screen? Everyone can see my screen?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Okay. So these are the 2 IBM certification and it is free of cost. I will request you, if you want to do it, you can do it. I will send this. I have already forwarded it to your professor, but I'm going to put in the chat box also. And second, these are both are IBM certified. So it's very easy for you to do the certification. I hope you will clear this and get the certification. Next, I will request you, can you download this simplemind.eu? Let me put this software in the chat box. You can open it and I will explain you how to do it. You got the link in the chat box?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We got, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir, yes, sir.
yeah, thank you so much. So please see that, can you download it? It will take 2 minutes. Are you downloading it? Okay, you have to go to the free trial. After free trial, let me help you. Are you doing it or not?
Yes, sir.
Doing,
We are
sir.
doing it.
We are doing, sir.
Okay, I will let you know how to do it. I will do with you. I'm not going to emphasize much on this, but I will give you a little glimpses and then we will go ahead. So it is written try it free, press try it free, then press free, press start here. Then it is asking choose edition. So you have to write Simple Mind trial edition. Please go there on your right. Let me share it. Let me share my screen. It will be easy for you to see what I'm doing. Okay. So what you have to do is, okay, here. Okay, when you are here, you press try it free, then free, start here. Now see here, you choose here Simple Mind Trial Edition, TRIAL, Trial Edition. And it will come Apple or your Windows. You select anyone. You followed or not? Here it is asking for different option. You have to select the second option. And it will say Apple or Windows, use MacBook or Windows, select Windows and start downloading. Okay, done. Good. Sanjot said, please again. Okay. Oh, okay. Open. You want me to share the screen now again? Here. Please see here. You have to press try it free. Then start here, free. Then here you have to choose Simple Mind Trial Edition. Simple Mind Trial Edition. When you press this, you can see the MacBook and Windows, whatever you have, you can choose. Got it?
Yes, sir. Installed it, sir.
That's good. Now I'm going to show you how to create a mind map. So what you can do is, this is the presentation I made for you. So what is mind mapping? Um, it is basically a tool for doing some SWOT analysis or making your presentation lucrative. For example, this I used in making presentation. Here you can see design thinking is linked to different prototyping and then defining and so on. So you can make all these things in this software. Even you can add your picture, you can add any other picture, you can embed any picture from the website, and you can create these type of things in the software. Okay. Now what you have to do is you go to this. Can you see this page? Can you see this page?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now go to Mindmap. Go to Mindmap and press new. There are two things it will ask. It is asking for new, or they have already created some mind map for you, sample mind map. But let us start with new. Then you create some central theme. Suppose let us do design thinking. So create a central theme. We are going to create this. After creating this, you can see the plus sign. Click on this plus sign and create branches of subdivisions. Are you doing it? Any problem? You can even move this sub branches here and there.
Sir, which template to use, sir?
So you can use the new one, or you
Okay.
can use any template which is available to you.
Okay, okay.
So what we are doing is right now we are using the new one. So we are making a new design. So we have started with this, with a new design. Okay, you got it here or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then you select this plus sign. It will help you to create a branch. On the right side, you can see these symbols and you can change your colors. You can do any background you can select. And if you want to add image, you have to press this button. You use 3 dot lines. Here you can see 3 dots on the top. When you press these 3 dots, it will help you to add image. You select this and it will help you to add image. You can add image from your computer. You can embed any image. You can add image from the link from any website. You can add some icons, hyperlinks, and so on. So you can make this. Just I want to show you the glimpses of this software. You can play with it. Okay, let us start now the next part. Done? You followed or not?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, it's easy. It's not so difficult. Just it helps you in your teaching or you're making presentations. Okay, now let us do one thing. Madam, I have forwarded you one sheet. Can you forward to all so that we can start making dashboard?
Yes, sir. It has been
Yeah.
shared.
Oh,
Shared.
that's good. You are super active. Okay, so this is the dashboard I have given to you. This is the data I have given to you. Everyone got it? We are going to work together and then I will give you one assignment. We will work again together and I hope you will do it with me. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare a dashboard of the company. Now what is the purpose of dashboard? Can anyone tell me what is the purpose of dashboard? Dashboard, DASHBOARD. What is the purpose of dashboard?
Sir, it gives the overall view of the company, like what they have done, and the entire view of the what features they have, etc., etc., sir.
Very nice. Good answer. Great. Dashboard. Even in the cars, you have seen the dashboard on the front. Dashboard will give you the basic things. It is not going to show you about the piston cylinder arrangement. It will show you how many kilometers you traveled. It will show you how much gasoline is left. In your language, how much petrol is left. We say gasoline here. And it will show you the speedometer. So this is the dashboard you can see in your car. So we are going to prepare a dashboard to be presented in front of CEO. So today, this is the job we are going to do together. Are you with me? Are you doing with me in Excel? Can you do it together? Can we do it together? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sure? Ready? Okay. So let us do it. Okay. So first step is, you got this sheet? Everyone have this sheet with you? You got this or not? Everyone is having this sheet, Excel file. Everyone is having this Excel file?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Got it.
Okay, okay. So let us do it together. First step is, what is it is showing? It is showing the dates, it is showing the customer acquisition, it is showing the states, product, the price of each product, the units sold, how much revenue we are making from this product, is this product delivered on time or not, customer, they have returned the product or they are satisfied with our product, how much satisfaction they have. So 1 is very low, 2 is low, 3 is okay, 4 is high, and 5 is very high. So it is from 1 to 5 scale. You know what is 1 to 5 scale known as? What is 1 to 5 scale known as?
Sir, nominal, I think. I'm not sure, sir.
Have you heard of this word? Likert scale?
Likert scale.
No.
No, sir.
Okay, it is scale from 1 to 5. Okay, so he gave this, the name of a scientist. Okay, so let us do it. First, let us select the data. Press insert pivot tables. From tables and data, if you want to change the name, you can change it. I'm pressing OK. So I repeat, press insert pivot tables from tables and range and press OK. Insert pivot tables from tables and range. OK. Now we got the pivot tables. You know what is pivot table? What is the use of pivot tables? What is the use?
So
Anyone?
it helps to create charts, and you can filter the values based. I mean, you can filter.
Yes, very good. We can filter the data points. So why I'm saying why we are saying about big data? Why this is big data? Why we called it as a big data? How many data points are here in this data? Have you seen how many data points are there?
57,810, sir.
Yes. So these are the data points. For this reason, it's called big data. I'm telling you, there are lot of jobs for data science, for big data analysis, lot of jobs. Okay, I'm doing a lot of consultancy for this big data because of only this big data. Okay, let us do this first. Just basic. Then we will go next and next. So first step is, if I press this outside. Okay, everyone got this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, can we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if I click outside, this pivot table will be gone. But when I press inside the pivot table, you can see the pivot table on the right side. Okay, now first, drag this date to the rows. And revenue to the values. Now you can see that dates and sum of revenue is generated. So what I did, I dragged this date to the rows, revenue to the values. Now most of the company, they don't like quarters. They don't want to see the quarters. You can see here, I'm clicking on all the years. You can also click all the years. and you can see the quarters are being highlighted. So it has the rows have been divided into years, quarters, and date. But we don't need quarters. So what to do? Go to the quarter, press quarter, remove field. Remove field. You remove it. Now you can see your data is looking too good. It is on rows. In rows, you have the months and you have the sum of revenues. Now, what I will give to the CEO, I'm not going to give this to the CEO. I will go to the Insert tab and I will give this line graph to him or her. So line graph. You can change the line graph from here, whatever you like the most. I want to add slicer to it. Now, what is slicer? Here, go to product, right click, go to product, right click, add a slicer. So see here, we have added a slicer next to it. When I press product 1, it is showing about the product 1. Product 2, we have total 5 products. Product 3, it's like a slicer. You know, when we cut pineapple, we make it a slice, different slice. So it's like a slicer, slice, and so on. So this is the first thing I will go to, I will show to the CEO. The first thing that we have prepared. Are you with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you sure? I'm talking to myself or to you? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let
We are
us
there,
go.
sir. We are following you, sir.
Oh, great. Good. So let us do next.
Amit sir, we are all following you, sir. We are following the steps and we are busy in doing that one, sir.
Oh, wow. Great news. Wow.
Thank you.
Great news. Okay. I know Indian people, their brain is too intelligent brains. Intellectual persons are in front of me. Okay. Next is, can I move next?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go to pivot table again. Insert pivot table. From tables and range, press OK. So I'm going to have now second thing which I'm going to explore. Again, I did the same thing. I went to sheet 1, which was my pivot table. I went to insert pivot tables from tables and ranges, and I got the next sheet. Now I'm going to drag states to column, state to column, revenue to value, revenue to values. You can see we got these labels and all. Now I want a map. Let me draw a map here. Okay. So when I press the map, insert map, go to insert, map, press map. Oh, wow. It is saying there is some problem. So in Excel, you can't make map like this. What we have to do now? Let us solve the problem. You select these states. Let us select outside. I don't want a blank one. Now press is equal to. You have to select one by one. Get pivot data. You have to link this with pivot data. Press equal to. Select sum of revenue first column. Press enter. Let us do it for all. Is equal to Florida. Enter. Is equal to Georgia. Enter. Is equal to Mississippi. Enter. Is equal to North Carolina. Enter. South and last. Okay. Now we can make a map. Can you see? Now map is generated. Now let us make it more lucrative. I selected this chart title, below chart title, I selected this one. I pressed, I right clicked it, format area. You can make changes, whatever you want to do. When I pressed here, I added data labels. Click here, add data labels. Now click here and you can see here the format data series. This is a world map. I don't want to see the world map. I want to see only these states. So when you click right click, select data series, and I am selecting only regions with data. Only region with data. And you can see that only regions with data has been highlighted. You can add data points also. It looks good. Got it? Yes, everyone got it.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Got it.
So go to product, add a slicer. You can add a slicer for this also. So this is one thing we are going to select. Okay, next, let us do more for our CEO. Go to insert again, pivot tables from table and range. We have to press sheet 1. Go to sheet 1, insert pivot tables from table and range, new worksheet. Let us select delivery, performances, move to rows, returns, move to values. Delivery on time or it is delayed. So I have moved delivery to rows, returns to values. Now to the returns, you can click here, you can go here, value field settings. You can write sum, you can find count, you can find average, maximum, minimum, whatever you want to do. I will go for count, press OK. I repeat, right click here, go to value field settings, and you can change to average, you can change to count, and so on. Press OK. Now I will insert, let us calculate first percentage. So is equal to, I'm interested in online, get pivot data online, divided by total, press enter. Let us change into percentage. You know, there is a sign of percentage, go to home, select this, and the sign is percentage is here. So 67% we are on time. Go to insert, and I will select this donuts. Let us select 3D pie chart. This is better option, I think, instead of donut. 3D pie chart. Okay. 3D pie chart, because it is showing 67% we are on time and we are delayed. The blue portion is showing the delayed. Can you see my screen or not? What I'm doing?
Yes, sir, we are able to see, sir.
Visible, sir.
The changes I'm doing in my screen, can you see or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Anyone is having some question? No? Can I move ahead? Okay, now I want to make a text box here, select text box. And I want to write 67%. So instead of writing here, I will go to the function fx formula bar. I will write is equal to 67%. Press enter. The formula is missing here. Okay, maybe we can put here if you don't want it. You can press there or you can put here also. And then I will move this inside here. Text box I'm moving inside, 67%. You can select here, go to again products, or you can select the states, add to slicer. You can add states here. Okay. So we have prepared sheet 2, 3, and 4. Have you seen? sheet 2, 3, and 4. I will put everything in one slide. That will be, we are going to prepare a dashboard. So first sheet, this is sales. I will change here the name, rename it, and write this as sales. Let us rename sheet 3rd. Okay, rename it. What should be the name we should give? What's the name you want to give? Maths? Yes. Sheet 4. What names we should give? Deliverables? On time or not on time? Sheet 1. Rename it with your main data. So I'm giving the different names. Are you with me? Are you with me? No one is here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are
Okay, I
following
thought
you.
you all left. Okay. So are you making all this? I'm not policing you. I'm just asking you. I'm requesting you. Have you made all this? Are you doing it with me? Can we proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I will be teaching you a little bit of optimization. What is optimization? How we use optimization in our life, in industries, and so on. Okay. Now next, let me finish it as soon as possible. Now go to insert. Again, pivot tables. Let us do one more table. Press OK. So now I'm going to make one more. Put returns to the rows. How many returns we are having. And revenue, that is most important for the company, to the values. It is showing the sum. I will change here value field setting, counts. Okay. I change to counts. So yes, 596 and no 5184. So 5184 customers are not returning our product. Our product is good, but 596 people are returning our product. You can change into percentage. I'll press is equal to this over total. Change into percentage, about 10%. 10% are returning our product. We are going to insert and press this one. Do not say yes or no. This is a better option. Done. Done or not? Now again go to pivot table.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, pivot table and press this. We are going to finish, don't worry. Then customer acquisition, move this to rows and revenue to columns to values, change it to value field setting counts. Okay. Now I'm going to insert waterfall. Press insert waterfall. Now again, Excel is saying problem. What we have to do? We have to move it outside then. Let us select this, move it outside. We did earlier, you remember? Press equal to, enter, equal to, enter, equal to, select this, enter. Now it will be easy for Excel to recognize the waterfall. So this is the waterfall we have created. You can change it if you want. It looks good. Yes or no? Okay, let us do the last one now. Insert. Again, pivot tables. We are going to do last one. Customer satisfaction. Move to rows. Revenue. Move to values. And product. Move to columns. So here I have generated one more, that is product, which has been added to columns. Last, we are going to do insert bar graphs. And you can have 3D bar graph. This is a better option, or you can have this, and so on. So we have prepared these data sheets. So we have prepared the sales, we have prepared the maps, deliverables, and then we can write customer satisfaction, customer acquisition. This is customer satisfaction, this is customer acquisition. We can make different headings. Now what to do with this data? What we are going to do now?
So we are
What
going
we are
to
going to
create
do?
a dashboard using
Yes.
all these things.
Yes, you are too good, too intelligent. So what we will do now, we have to open PowerPoint presentation, PPT. So open your PowerPoint presentation. I will share my screen. So I opened PowerPoint presentation here. Let me select the new slide. I'm going to remove the top one. And I will draw here. I will add everything here. And this PowerPoint presentation. Now, when you go to draw or go to insert, you can see the icons. It's already there in the computer. How I got this? I pressed insert icons. I will go to images. So there are so many images already made for you, and you can select any. So it's better to select the dark one. The background should be dark. It's better. I selected this, the dark background. I will go to insert shapes, insert shapes, and I will make a shape here. Again, press insert shapes. These are the guides. The lines which you can see, these are the guides. Again, insert shapes. And so on. And this is fine. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes
Yes,
or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what we have to do, whatever we have made in our Excel file, you will copy in these. You can insert this in these columns here, here. You can divide into 6 parts, 5 parts, 7 parts here. You can insert all this and prepare a dashboard. Now this becomes your dashboard. This is what CEO wants to see. I have prepared a dashboard. Let me show you. And then you can tell the story also. You can storytelling can be used where you are showing that what is in the dashboard. So you can tell a story also. Yes, got it. So this is what I have prepared. Let me show you. You can also prepare the same, this type of dashboard. So you can see here that dashboard has been prepared where we are showing the states, we are showing all the data and all in one sheet. Above and below, you can create a story. It is known as storytelling. Any question about a dashboard? It was easy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me show you more dashboards. For example, this, can you see?
Yes, sir. Yes, we are
So
able to.
brand, yeah, brand by gender, by color, by state, by season, a table. This was the data given to me, and this was the dashboard prepared. This is how we give the consultancy. Okay, so this is one part is done. So now let us discuss the next part, that is optimization. How to find the regression equation. You know what is regression equation? Regression equation. You know it? So yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Regression we know.
Yeah. And you know how to make the equation and using this? Let me tell you how to make the equation. Right now, I am doing research on traceability. So my topic of research right now is, I will show you the topic, what topic I'm doing research. And if anyone wants to be part of this research, you are most welcome. Let me show you the topic on which I'm doing research. Then I will discuss about the uh, discuss about optimization. So this is a topic on which I'm working right now. Managing the digitalization of the supply network using IoT and blockchain technology. Have you heard of IoT and blockchain? So people are doing lot of research on this, and it's a food traceability application. So what is the problem right now due to COVID is traceability of food. It's very difficult to trace. Walmart, they have done, they're doing blockchain research with IBM. You know what is blockchain? Have you heard of cryptocurrency? Bitcoin? Are you investing in this?
Yes, sir. I mean, we know a little bit. We nahi hai, I know a little bit. Sorry.
Okay. Anyone who knows about blockchain, what is blockchain basically? What is Internet of Things? Anyone?
Sir, Internet of Things, all the things like even smart devices, everything is connected through the internet. All are
Okay.
connected in a network.
Yeah. But what is the, I don't know. Okay, blockchain, I will tell you a little basic, but I'm not going to go in detail. You know, food traceability is a problem. Companies, they are not knowing where is their food, where is their transportation system, where is their logistics right now. So what they do is, technically it's a e-ledger. So instead of writing in the ledger, they are creating a e-ledger. So e-ledger is created in the form of blocks, different blocks. Suppose my truck is coming from US. So that truck person or anyone, he will enter, okay, it has been moved from this. Okay, then it reach, suppose, to the warehouse. Then the warehouse person will add, okay, it has been reached in the warehouse at this time, we have this is product. So a ledger is being created and everyone can see what is being done. Now what I am doing research. So I'm doing research with Costco. In Costco, we have one product. And in that product, what they want is, let me share the screen. Maybe any screen. What they want is, they want us that in their product, there should be a barcode or QR code. You know how to generate QR code in Excel? You know how to create QR code in Excel? Everyone knows it or not?
Actually, I don't know, sir, how to create a QR code in Excel. I don't know. I don't know
Okay,
about
it
that.
will take 1 second. I will teach you if you want to learn. So what they want is that we should create a QR code. QR means quick response code. Quick response code. And when the customer press this code or bring their camera in front of this code, They can see everything about the product, from where this product came, what was the raw material. After raw material, it went to production department, it went to quality department, it went to R&D, all the department, everything he can see about this product. What are the ingredients in this product? How many calories are in this product? Just clicking this barcode. So we are making this QR code for them where all the information is being gathered by the customer. But we need blockchain for this. We need IoT for this. We need e-ledger for this, where we can trace the product from where it started and where it is coming to the customer, the head of customer. So what are the phases it went? This is what we are doing with the industry. Very interesting project. Okay, so let me teach you a little bit about how to generate a QR code. It will take 1 minute. How much time is left, madam? How much time is left?
40 minutes.
Can I continue?
40 minutes, sir. 40 minutes. Can
Okay.
you continue, sir? Yes, sir.
Okay, please let me know when to stop. Okay, so let me share my screen, and if you want to learn, you can also do it with me. Suppose now how to generate a QR code. It will take 1 minute. Go to insert, press my add-ins. My add-ins. In my add-ins, I already have this. Okay, let us go to get add-in. Get add-in. Because I have already have this. Okay, get add-in. Go to insert, get add-in. Write down QR4 office. QR4 office. Press enter, and you add this QR4 office. Just add it. Continue. So here. Now you can generate a QR code for any website, or telephone number, SMS, and so on. Now let me add for Apple. Suppose I want to see the Apple product. I will write down apple.com. So I have generated a QR code for Apple. I want to change the background. I can change it. I want to change the color. You can change the color. And press insert. You can change the width also, whatever you want to change. I haven't changed it. I can change it. Medium is fine. You want to change the size, you can change the size, and so on. Now, when you move your mobile phone camera in front of this code, when you move your mobile phone camera and this code, can you move your mobile phone camera into this code? Can you see apple.com? Just move your camera in front of this.
Yes, sir. I am doing, sir. I am doing.
Move your camera in front of this QR code. You can see apple.com. Can you see or not? Yes? You have to just move your camera in front of this code, QR code. You got it?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what I did, I just get add-ins. I repeat, QR for office. And you can generate QR code for all. Add. Continue. And then you can write anything. Now, how we are taking attendance? We have created QR code for each and every student. So when student comes, it's not I have to take attendance. So they just press, we have the QR code for them, and we just go in front of the QR code. Even if I go to the QR code of a student, I can see how many subjects he has taken, what are the marks he has, how many assignment he has given. The whole history of the student is generated, and every student have their own QR code. You have to just move your mobile phone in front of that QR code. That's it. And you can create QR code for any website. Okay, let us stop here. Let me move. Yeah, blockchain is a database where it is stored in blocks. Yes, well said. Blockchain, traceability, IoT, a lot of research people are doing on this. Hong Kong, Taiwan, these countries, they are doing a lot of work. Okay. You know what Canada is known for? Why we are rich? You know that why Canada is rich? Because we have a lot of uranium. We have a lot of natural gas. We are making electricity through nuclear power. We are using uranium. Okay. So let us go for optimization now. Are you ready? Anyone is having any question? Anyone is having any question? Can we move?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So last topic I'm going to discuss, and then I will stop here. Let me share my data to you. Okay, this is one of the research we are doing together. I'm doing with Dr. Bruce. See here. So what is this research? And let me show you how to do the optimization, how to find the relationship between the variables. Okay. So can you believe the data points? So what we want to say is here that how the stress is increased because of how your stress is increased because of your, let me remove all this, because of your family size. So we want to see how stress is being increased because of family size, number of marriages. If you have one marriage or two marriages, stress will be more or less. What was your age at first marriage? What is the age difference of your spouse, between you and your spouse? Okay. And number of kids, how many kids you have, so stress will increase or decrease, and so on. You are divorced or not, average year you are living together. So these are some of the data we have collected. And can you see the data points? And this we did for last 5 years. For last 5 years we are collecting this data. And can you believe how much data points we have collected? It is 3044. So we have given the value to the stress. So we want to see the relationship between stress, number of marriages, family size, number of kids, male kid, female kid, difference in the age of the kids, difference in age of your spouse. So many factors we have included to find the stress level, which is our output, and these are our input. Now, how to find the relationship between the whole data points? Let us do it. Okay. What I will do is go to data and data analysis. You have data analysis tool in your Excel or not? Data analysis. I think no, you don't have it. You have it or not have it? Then if you don't have it, go to file, and you have to add in. Go to option, go to file, go to option, press add-ins, file, options, add-ins, press go, and you have to tick mark this, the first one, analysis tool pack, and press OK. I repeat, go to file, options, add-ins, go, and analysis tool pack, and press OK. And you will get this data analysis tool inside the data analysis. Are we here? Yes, can we move? So when you press data analysis, go to regression and press OK. Data analysis, regression, OK. Now I will tell you what is the beauty of this equation. How I am doing a lot of consultancy only due to this equation. I did project for NASA in US. I did project for Messer Gudao Emery Steel Industry of Brazil in US. Because my postdoctorate was from US, so I did project for both. I was lucky that I got project for NASA. I did for only 1 year. Then I did project for Gudao Emery Steel Industry. There I have used these all regression equations. Okay. Now it is asking for Y input. This Y input will be our social stress. I am selecting this Y input. It is asking for X input. Now X input, but it's not one. We have many X input, X1, X2, X3, X4, because we are finding relationship for many. So X input is family size, number of marriages, age difference between spouse, number of kids you have. So how much stress you have if you have number of more kids? How much stress you have if you have 2 marriages? How much stress you have if you have age difference in your spouse? So this is what we are doing. Find the relationship between all these parameters. It may be any. Labels, yes, I connected labels. Tick mark, confidence level, we will work under 95% confidence, that we are 95% sure whatever we are doing is correct. You can create residuals, plots, anything. And press OK. So you can see that we got this output, summary output. Now, what is the use of this summary? I will tell you that. And if you want to add more things, you can add graphs. Any graphs you can add. I haven't added, but you can add. Go to data analysis and you can add these graphs, residual, fit, and all. Okay. So data analysis, regression. Okay. And let me add all the graphs. See number of graphs that have been generated here. With only one click. And so on. Now, what is the use of this? Use is we can find the equation that is known as regression equation. Now, what is this equation? Equation becomes y, that is your stress, is equal to, how to find equation from this? So stress is equal to, you know the equation of line, y is mx plus b. So mx, what is m? M is your intercept. So y is equal to 4.98 plus your family size, it is minus 0.09. So minus 0.09. It means as family size increases, family size, it is negative. So more the family size, less the stress, minus. More the family size, less the stress. That's good. Plus number of marriages, 0.08, 0.08. It is plus number of marriages, number of marriages. So if you have more marriages, it is plus. Y is more. What is your Y? Stress. More the marriages, more the stress. Graph is showing this. Plus 0.05. I'm getting data from here. This. Let me mark it yellow. This. These are the coefficient. Plus coefficient of age difference between spouse, 0.025. Age difference. So more is the age difference, more the stress. Minus 0.02 coefficient of number of children. So this is the equation we got. More number of children, less stress. Less stress. So this is the equation we got. So this equation is showing the relationship between stress, number of marriages, family size, age difference between your spouse, and so on. I made a mathematical relationship between each other. And I can find the optimal solution also. Optimal means best solution. So more the kids, it's better. Family size more, it's better because see, it's negative. So negative family size means more family size, less stress. It's opposite to stress. Number of marriages is positive. As number of marriages increases, stress increases. Age difference between your spouse. As the age difference is more between you and your spouse, stress will be more. So this is the relationship which we found from our big data analysis, which we collected from last 5 years. We are collecting the data, asking people about the values, and we got the data from people. Okay, so this is all about data analysis. There are different types. I've taught you about QR code, then I've discussed with you about how we can find a regression equation. Then I discussed about the dashboard. There are many things to discuss in life. I discussed a little bit about blockchain and about traceability, about IoT. And if anyone wants to be part of my team, my research team, you are most welcome. Most welcome. If you have interest in blockchain, right now I'm doing research on blockchain and IoT. And I have already given you IBM certification. It's free of cost. Otherwise, you have to pay $200 or $300. But these two certifications which I have provided you, it's free of cost. It will take few for you. It will take few hours, 1 or 2 hours to get this certification. And you will be certified IBM person. Okay, any question from your side? Madam, I am done.
Thank you so much.
Audience, please, any queries?
Thank you so much, Amit sir. Thanks a lot during your weekend night time. Also, you gave the guest lecture. It's so proud of you. My HOD sir, I just wanted to introduce him, and he wanted to have few words with you. He's Dr. P. Elumalai, head and professor of CSE department. He's waving hand. Sir, you please wave hand to him.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, please, sir. Welcome you. First of all, thank you very much for accepting our invitation. So, in spite of our busy schedule, so Berkeley University from Canada. So you are a busy professor. We know that. So thank you for accepting an invitation. Give you an excellent presentation. Definitely, I hope it will be very much useful for the participants to take to the next level. So future also we'll have contact with your university. So what are the things we need from our side? So please help us to go for that.
Yeah, let us have collaborative work. We come to your place, you come to our place, deliver some lecture to our students. Let us do some collaborative research together. It's always, it's give and take. And you are most invited. We are planning of having international conference, and I will forward that link to you. And you are most welcome in the beautiful city of the world, that is Vancouver.
Thank you very much for supporting, sir. Thank you a lot. So please.
Okay, thank you so much. Any question from audience?
Sir will contact you on 17th of December.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nice meeting you, all of you. Yes. I know one of the best university in India. I don't know about the world, but I know in India, this is one of the best university. I am privileged that you have invited me for delivering the guest lecture. Hope we have tie up together, and we invite you for delivering lecture to our students, and you share your knowledge. This is how we grow. In the last, not the least, I will say that you should have dreams in your heart, not in your eyes, because when you cry, dream scatters, but in your heart, it remains forever and ever. So have dreams in your heart.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
okay, bye.
Yes, sir.
Bye, see you.
Now I would like to thank our speaker.
Yes, proceed.
Now I would like to thank our speaker, Dr. Amit Kohli, Professor, Yorkville University, British Columbia, Canada, for enlightening us with his knowledge in his busy schedule. We are glad to have you as our guest speaker, sir. Thank you, sir. Today's session was informative and gave us a deep insights into the topic, optimization and visualization of big data. I once again thank Dr. Amit Kohli, sir, for presenting the wonderful session. Thank you, sir. Dear participants, the attendance link will be posted in the chat box. Kindly fill your attendance. Thank you all for your participation. And next session will start by 11:15 a.m. Thank you.
I would like to request Dr. S. Srinivasan sir, Professor, CSC Department, to introduce about our guest speaker, Mr. Nitish Mahajan, Managing Director, Conjonics Total Solution Private Limited, Chandigarh. Please, sir.
Good morning to one and all present here. On behalf of our CSE department, Head of the Department, Dr. P. Malai sir, Principal, Dr. Anbuchelian sir, and the management, I welcome